That woman says she stand up and watch the whole thing. She says she see when the man tell the woman if it murk the cow, the woman decides say, hey look, me nah kill no cow. Right after that, she get her throat slashed. Yeah, my people, we have that to talk about. And a whole heap of other things, my people. Because you want to hear say, yo, a police woman did in the congregation too. Yeah, man, a police woman did it. Me say a whole heap of things like that. Me say, you think a joke me I make. Either way, you walk out, me know. If you like the video, just press like. If you have any form of comment whether or not you agree or you disagree with me, just leave it in that comment section. And of course, if you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button, because you definitely going to see more videos like this, my people. And again, this is the part 2, because there's another video on the channel, so you can go check that out. And of course, you can either go check it out or you can watch it so you go back to it. Whichever one you want to do, my people, let's do the right thing. I could jump into the video.
We were told not to bring our phone. My phone is not, it's in my son's car. So right up there.
Who told you not to bring a phone?
The pastor.
Oh, okay.
So where are your son and daughter now?
I'm clueless, so I'm going down to the station to see if they're there. It was very intense. I stood outside, as I said.
You didn't enter at all?
No, as I saw the young man slash and I saw blood, the young lady fell. I said, this is it for me, and I walked away.
What kind of leader would you say is?
He is, I would say charismatic, he, you know, caring and all of that. Helpfully help the members, children who have problems financially to go to school, he would assist them.
I just said cutting on my people. Yeah, man, I just said cut. We're not going to play no more of that, but we are going to talk. Because you what going on now. Yes, you what I say now. Yeah, she disobey all of the red flags, you know. Why me need to left my phone in my car, right? You disobey the red flag, mama. Either way, you turn up on the location and you see something like that happen. I tell me say, yo, you couldn't take any more, you just walk away, you just casually leave. What you mean by you have your phone in the car, you know, alert the police them, you can't find the pinny them enough, you wonder what go on there. You so calm and talk to the media. What you say? What you say you not hard up, mama? That I want if you made so me say my people. This not convincing to me. To me personally think say yo, this a man I go on with them things a long time, and I know just now him just get bust out and all people I see what go on. You know how vex me too? She got talk about him charismatic. Charismatic him, hey, don't make me cuss about word upon this, you know. I swear me now cuss about word upon my channel. But he go on and know. Charismatic what? What you talk about? You tell them say all of them things they might help people. You see my murder people in front of you and I call police or nothing like that. Oh, I'm tell you, man. Oh, I'm tell you, your car put on your phone put on the car casually. I say you just couldn't take anymore. What you deal with? I let the cops, you can't find a picnic them. Hey. Oh, I'm telling you, man. Either way, my people, I could just go further than the reasoning. Because watch a prayer now. Take a look on that picture there now. Yeah, it just look like one crime scene and everything alright. No. Look good pan the drapes them. You know, realize that the rainbow color drapes. Yeah. No, me not tell us me personally have a problem with what a man want to do in life if a man want to take the gay route or what. Me personally not have a problem with that, you know me. It just not bring that to me. Again, me not care. However, what burn me now is when you gonna say you is a upstanding citizen or you gonna say you is a pastor, respectable man in a religion or where you fund the little boys and them thing there. No man a hanging tree my farm, me no work them way the man me no right now me talk I'm vexed about it because you are going to know. A whole heap of little boys in probably a fun because if you watch part 1 of the video, you know man, go check it out, you know man. You hear man say yo, you hear the brother say yo, hey look, him carry the little boy down in the water, go baptize him, or the dog the stiff, you know man, and them think they hurt me, you know fam. When if you mess yo, you wouldn't even know. Watch him now, like I'm wife, that time and him wife, what? Yo, I don't even know if it's my people. But you are going to know now, we not go dwell too much on that because they don't know me to mention to them, say, 2 topics we have to dig off, you know. So, see that woman up on your screen, take her in. Yeah, man. So basically, news reporter that she was a part of the congregation. Yeah, man. She did in the crowd. And I wanted to say, oh, the report said again, before me go no further, all of this information I provide you with it is alleged. Me not sure if I saw it go. Me not tell I saw it go. Me not tell a lie upon her. It is alleged. Alright. So basically, them say, oh, she was a part of the congregation, and when the police them pull up and decide say, hey, look, you know, say, yo, we have got to stop all of the madness here, what go on. Me say, she pop off and start squeeze too. Cause it's like she's so hip, she's so deep under the man charm or him spell as to whatever him cast upon them. She was so deep under it. She started attack the law enforcement officers. No, don't get me wrong now. I not use this bash her. I not use the platform. I have to bring her down to say, hey, look, she defended in any way, shape or form. When me really I say right now is that she was so deep under in charm that she ended up start squeeze off two off of them. And judge, I don't even know what to say. I don't know if we go for this. I don't know what to say. But you're going to know my people. We're not going to stay too long for no reason. You don't know. A chop and move again. Make you know what I go and provide you with all of the information. Same. So you more, you don't know. If you like the video again, just press like. If you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button. You know the thing go. And of course, if you have any comment, whether or not you agree or you disagree with me, you will just leave it in the comment section. Make we have this discussion down here, my people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.
Thank you.